Hello, and welcome to the Coins Information HD channel. This comprehensive deep dive into one of the most fascinating coins in modern American numismatics, the 1987 P. Washington quarter. Today, we're going to explore everything there is to know about this coin, from its historical context and production, to the design features that make it recognizable, its rarity, how collectors value it, and its current market worth in 2025. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist, an investor in coins, or simply someone who stumbled upon a stack of quarters, this video is designed to give you the full picture. The Washington quarter is one of the most recognizable coins in American currency. Originally introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth, it has been a staple of circulation and collecting for decades. Designed by John Flanagan, the coin has maintained its iconic look, with only minor changes throughout its long history. The 1987 P quarter is a standard issue from the Philadelphia Mint, indicated by the P Mint mark on the obverse. While millions of these quarters were produced for everyday circulation, they remain an interesting study in coinage design, production, and the nuances that can affect collector value. The 1980s were a period of consistent coin production in the United States. Economic growth and population expansion required a steady flow of coins for commerce. The 1987 P. Washington quarter is a product of this era, reflecting the United States Mint's commitment to producing coins in large quantities while maintaining strict quality standards. In 1987, the Philadelphia Mint struck hundreds of millions of quarters, ensuring their widespread availability. Despite this, coins that survived in pristine, uncirculated condition are relatively rare, making them appealing to collectors. The coin is composed of copper-nickel clad, with a total weight of 5.67 grams and a diameter of 24.3 millimeters, characteristics consistent with post-1965 quarters. Identifying the 1987 P. Washington quarter is straightforward if you know what to look for. Obverse features: a profile of George Washington facing left, rendered in a dignified and detailed style. The inscriptions "Liberty" above, "In God We Trust" to the left, and the year 1987 at the bottom. The P. Mint mark, located near Washington's ponytail, clearly indicates Philadelphia Mint production. Reverse features: heraldic eagle with outstretched wings perched on a bundle of arrows. Two olive branches beneath the eagle, symbolizing peace and strength. The inscriptions "United States of America" above, $quarter below, completing the design. Other notable characteristics include a smooth edge, consistent thickness, and a bright, reflective surface on uncirculated examples. At first glance, the 1987 P quarter may seem ordinary, and in terms of sheer mintage, it is. Millions were produced, and many remain in circulation. However, rarity in numismatics is not solely a function of how many coins were struck, it is also about how many survive in high quality. For collectors, the value of the 1987 P quarter lies in its condition, preservation, and any unique variations that may exist. Factors that contribute to collectability include mint state quality. Coins that are uncirculated and retain their original luster are far more desirable. Even minor contact marks can reduce value, making pristine coins particularly sought after. Professional grading. Certification by a recognized grading organization can authenticate condition and increase value. Graded coins provide confidence to buyers and sellers alike. Eye appeal. Coins with exceptional surfaces, attractive toning, or strikingly sharp detail often command a premium. Errors and varieties. Although uncommon for the 1987 P quarter, errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks can significantly increase value. Ultimately, the 1987 P quarter is a coin where rarity is defined more by surviving condition than by original production numbers. The value of the 1987 P. Washington quarter in 2025 depends primarily on condition. Let's break this down. Circulated coins. Coins that show wear from handling or circulation are generally worth only slightly more than face value. Most coins in this condition remain at approximately 25 cents, with slight premiums for exceptionally clean examples. Uncirculated coins. Mint state coins in lower uncirculated grades, MS60, MS62, may command modest premiums. Typically a few dollars. Mid-grade uncirculated coins, MS63, MS64, are more attractive to collectors and may fetch slightly higher prices, reflecting better preservation and eye appeal. High-grade coins, MS-65, MS-66, are considered premium examples and may be worth tens of dollars or more. Exceptional examples graded MS-67 or higher are scarce and can command hundreds of dollars, sometimes approaching or exceeding the value of many older, lower mintage quarters, special varieties and errors. If a 1987 P quarter exhibits a verified mint error or an unusual die variety, its value can be significantly higher than standard coins in the same grade. These coins are rare and highly sought after by collectors who specialize in error coins. In 2025, the 1987 P Washington quarter maintains its position as a widely recognized modern collectible coin. The general market trends for this coin are as follows: circulated coins remain common and sell at face value or slightly higher. Uncirculated coins, especially those graded and certified, continue to attract collector attention, with premiums reflecting condition and appeal. High-grade examples and certified coins can achieve substantial values at auction or in private sales, particularly if they are MS-66 or MS-67. Collector interest remains stable, with many enthusiasts focusing on completing modern coin sets or acquiring top-grade examples from each year and mint. The combination of widespread circulation and selective collector interest creates a dynamic market where condition and certification play a decisive role in determining value. For those interested in collecting or investing in the 1987 P Washington quarter, the following strategies can help maximize both enjoyment and potential value. Focus on condition. Examine coins carefully for wear, scratches, or discoloration. Coins in pristine condition are far more desirable. Consider professional grading. Certified coins can command higher prices and provide confidence in authenticity and grade. Store coins properly, avoid direct handling, and keep uncirculated coins in protective holders or capsules. Be alert for varieties or errors, while rare, unusual minting characteristics can dramatically increase value. Set realistic expectations. While high-grade coins may be valuable, most circulated examples are common and not worth a significant premium. In conclusion, the 1987 P Washington quarter is much more than a simple piece of pocket change. It is a snapshot of American coinage in the late 20th century, reflecting both the history of the Washington quarter series and the production standards of the Philadelphia Mint. While the majority of these coins are common and of minimal value in circulated condition, high-grade examples, especially those certified or exhibiting exceptional quality, can be highly desirable to collectors. Whether you are exploring your coin collection, considering an investment, or simply curious about a quarter you found, the 1987 P Washington quarter offers an accessible yet fascinating window into the world of modern American coins. Its story is one of history, artistry, preservation, and the subtle nuances that make coin collecting a deeply rewarding hobby. Thank you for watching this detailed guide. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on future explorations of rare and collectible coins. Until next time, treasure your coins, examine them closely, and enjoy the timeless beauty of American coinage.